Well, hello there. Welcome back to the channel. Buckle up because we've got some hot off the press news from the world of NIO. Bank of America has just raised its price target on NIO's US listed shares once again. Yep, for the second time in just 3 weeks. The new target, $7.60, up from the previous $7.10. But the new price does imply a slight upside, just over 3% from where the stock closed on Friday at $7.37. Now here's where it gets really interesting. NIO's shares have absolutely exploded in the past 3 months, up a jaw-dropping 116%, more than doubling and hitting the highest level in nearly a year. What's behind the surge? Strong demand, baby. The buzz is all about 2 newly launched 3-row SUVs, the Onvo L90, which hit the road on July 31st, and the 3rd generation NIO ES8, which launched just this past Saturday. Although NIO hasn't dropped official numbers yet, demand seems to be off the charts. According to Chinese outlet Late Post, internal sources say orders for the new ES8 have already surpassed NIO's 40,000 unit production capacity for the year. And get this, Carfans China reported in a 36-hour tracking blitz that lock-in orders could be somewhere between 47,000 and 50,000. That's a whole lot of SUVs. Bank of America analyst Ming-Hsun Lee had more to say, pointing out that NIO has now built a whopping 3,500 battery swap stations across China. These stations are connected to 20 major highways and 16 city clusters, pretty much laying down the EV version of Route 66 but make it Chinese. As for the big picture, NIO is gunning to deliver around 440,000 vehicles across its 3 brands this year, with a major sales push expected in the 4th quarter. That means they're targeting a serious jump to 150,000 units between October and December alone, right after NIO's 2nd quarter earnings. At that time, they cited a stronger product lineup and even raised their volume forecast for 2025 through 2027 by 9%, 19%, and 21%, respectively. They also said that narrowing losses were already baked into the stock price. Funny enough, just a few months ago in June, the same analyst, Ming-Hsun Lee, had actually slashed the target from $4.90 to $4.30 right after Q1 results. So what's the takeaway? NIO is making big moves with big SUVs, and investors are finally starting to take notice. But with Bank of America still riding the neutral fence, it seems there's excitement but also caution in the air. Either way, it's going to be a wild ride. Be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the update and stay tuned for more stock market scoops right here.